Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Panasonic Lumix DMC-GH4 digital camera and you need to do a factory reset back to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for a couple of reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this camera is not connecting to something or not pairing, or if it seems to be not responding properly, a lot of these issues can be fixed with this factory reset. The second reason is there's a ton of different settings on here and we can change them all manually. But if you just want to get a fresh start, wipe everything off of this and then just get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box, we can just go ahead and do this, and it's super easy to do. All we need to do is with the camera on, we're just going to hit the menu set button over here to open up the menu on the screen. From there, it's just a couple things. We're going to select the setup wrench icon submenu, and then from the setup wrench icon submenu, we'll select reset. And then that's really all there is to it. It'll take you through a couple confirmation screens where you'll select yes for each one, and everything will be restored to the factory default settings.